So guys, in this video we will look at some more tags that will make you your work a bit easier inside your projects when you will be making. And the first tag is progress tag. And the progress tag, you want to mention any kind of progress bar or the progress bar. You can use this progress tag for that. So let's see how we can use that. So what we can do, we need to create the new file with the progress.html. Need to create your skeleton progress bar, and you need to write your code over here. So what you can do, that you need to write your progress div. You need to create div, and inside div you can create your progress tag and start your progress tag. And inside progress tag you need to write your maximum value, and the maximum value is 100, and you need to write the value that which percentage you want to make that in progress bar should be used. So I need to write 45%, and I need to write some text to show that this my progress is 45%. So let's make another, and you need to copy this and yet paste like this, and you need to write the maximum value to 50, and to 55, to 60, and to 65, and to 70. So what you need to do, you also need to change this figure with to 60 and 50, and you need to write 55, you need to write 60, and you need to write 65, you need to write 70, like this. And what you need to do, you need to just copy and paste the path over here. Refresh the page. You can see that this is the progress bar that you can show on, like you want to create your portfolio website and you want to create your CV online, so you can show this progress bar. The next tag we have is meter tag, and the meter tag is a bit different from the progress bar, but it is similar, but it has some attributes is as another attribute is added over here. So let's see. So first we need to create a file with the meter tag .html and create skeleton, and we need to write meter tag or meter bar, and you need to write your code over here, div, and you need to write your code like meter, and also write your minimum value. Minimum value is 50, and with the maximum value is 200, and you need to write the value. So you can write like this. You can explain this that I have used 40%. I have used 40% of 40% of 200. Okay, so let's see. Let's copy the path, and you can see that okay, I have used 40% of 200%. So what I can do, that I can write 200 to 100. So let's refresh the page. What I can do that I need to specify the minimum value, I need to specify the maximum value, and the percentage used. So what I can do that 40% used, 40% used out of 100%. So let's save the file and refresh the file. So you can see that 40% is used. And I can also see like I need to edit like 70% of the file. So you can see that the progress bar is increased. The next thing we have is very cool and you can use inside your projects, that is content editable tag. Using this we can use editor, the text which is displayed on the page as an editor. So let's see how we can do that. We need to create a new file with the content editable.html, and we need to write the skeleton and we need to write our code over here. So let's write div, and you need to write your code over your writing over here. So this is paragraph, and this is my content editable tag. Okay, so let's save this file and write your attribute, one attribute. For that we need to write content editable is equal to true. So this tag enable this text to be edited on the front end. So save this file, and now you can copy the path, and you need to come over here and paste the file, and now you can see that. So this is the writing that I have. So I need to copy this and paste over here, and I need to paste over here. So what I need to do, I need to refresh this file. So this is the text. If I want to write this text or remove some of the text, so what I can do, I can do like this. I can write more text here. It will be edited anytime. So I can also enter, and I can also use this for some attributes, and I can use this text to submit to the in the form or somewhere else. So this is really cool that you can edit in real time, like your text editor.